Determine if x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a equals 0. To see if x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial. But make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. This is not written in this form, so we rewrite it as x minus negative 2, and we plug in the negative 2 into the polynomial. So we get p of negative 2 equals negative 2 cubed minus 2 times negative 2 squared minus 9 times negative 2 plus 18. Simplifying, we get negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 squared is 4 times this negative 2 is minus 8. Negative 9 times negative 2 is positive 18 plus 18. Combining the negative terms, we get negative 16. And then combining the positive terms, we get plus 36. These terms do not cancel out. In fact, the result is 20. Because this is a non-zero result, x plus 2 is not a factor of this polynomial.